Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm on the Faith Rock Trail. I just came off the bridge. Now yesterday, a couple came along as I was coming back, and she grabbed the tree that was here. Remember I showed you the one that fell down? And her boyfriend or husband, whatever, grabbed the other end and they pushed it right over there. And they got some pieces off into there. And I thought to myself, the fishermen are not going to like that. So now it's the next day, and the big rotted fallen branch is off to the other side. So I'm thinking somebody came here to fish, and they wanted to get to the water's edge and they moved it. So there you go, I'm a good predictor. I'm on my way for my double cane walk here. Steve AB4L, big smile on my face, saying see you in 7. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that was the one that was actually up against. Oh no. Oh, I didn't notice that. See, I showed you this one.
How you doing?
Faster traffic can pass.
Have a good one.
I showed you this, but what I didn't notice was what a big branch it was, and that's one that broke off and fell maybe last year. And here's the sister. Almost got run down. Steve AB4L, just enjoying himself. He's cooled off a bit. Saying see you in 73.